Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to clean the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to maintain their Typhur Sync Air Fryer. So there's multiple ways you could actually clean it. The first thing that you want to do is that you want to use a cloth, and you can wet the cloth if you'd like, in order to go ahead and wipe out or wipe down all of the surfaces of the actual air fryer. So this can be used to wipe all around as well as the control panel as well. I would wipe that out around as well. Now, as far as the grill basket and the grill plate goes, both of these can be placed inside the dishwasher. So they're both dishwasher safe. You can just go ahead and use baking soda and water to remove any tough debris and grease as well. And as far as the thermometer goes, the probe that you see inside of here can be placed inside the dishwasher. However, the probe casing cannot, okay? So make sure that you don't place the probe casing inside the dishwasher. But it's pretty much it though, as far as cleaning it. You can use baking soda and water to remove any hard debris or grease. But then both the basket and the grill plate can be placed inside the dishwasher. Now, once you go ahead and remove this, I would recommend also wiping down the inside of the air fryer and making sure that there's no food debris that touches the top heating plate of the air fryer as well. But very easy, very simple to use, and very simple to clean as well.